Stripe versus Chargebee, which is better? Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you which platform is better among Stripe and Chargebee. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So beginning with Stripe. Stripe supports payments in over 135 currencies, making it ideal for businesses with an international customer base. It offers extensive API documentation, allowing for deep customization and integration into various systems. Provides built-in tools for managing subscriptions and recurring payments, which is great for SaaS businesses. It also features advanced fraud detection tools to help protect businesses from fraudulent transactions. Can handle businesses of all sizes, from startups to large enterprises, making it highly scalable. Requires a technical setup, which may be overwhelming for non developers. It also includes transaction fees and additional fees for certain features like instant payouts. It is not as comprehensive for physical point of sale POS systems compared to other processors. Now, let's come towards Chargebee. Chargebee is designed specifically for subscription based businesses, offering extensive tools for billing and subscription cycles. It provides features to automate revenue recognition, making it easier to manage accounting and financial reports. It allows customization of billing cycles, pricing models, and even multi currency payments, offering high flexibility. Helps recover failed payments with its dunning management feature, improving overall revenue retention. Offers integrations with a wide variety of third party platforms, including CRM and accounting systems. It may be too complex for businesses that don't focus on subscriptions, making it unnecessary for one time payment businesses. It also charges based on usage and tiered pricing plans, which can be costly as the business scales. Offers fewer direct payment gateways compared to more flexible payment processors like Stripe. Choosing between Stripe and Chargebee depends on your specific needs. Stripe is ideal for businesses seeking a customizable global payment processor, while Chargebee is perfect for subscription based businesses needing advanced billing and revenue management tools. Consider your business model and technical requirements to decide which platform suits your goals best. That's all for the video.